How to enable or disable face unlock on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down. From here, tap on security and privacy. After that, we then scroll down and tap on lock screen. Now enter in the current PIN, then tap on continued. Next, we go down, then tap on face recognition. In here, tap on face unlock. Tap on the toggle button to disable or to enable face unlock on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus or the S25 Ultra. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.